This tastes and looks like bacon, but it's vegan and it's so easy to make. We are on national television because of it.
That's crispy, just like bacon.
Wow.
It also makes great jerky. It's made from only 3 ingredients, and the recipe and the video are at veganbacon.com. But the real star of the video isn't the bacon. It turned out to be the crazy redneck showing how to make it.
I figured out a way to make bacon without bacon. Bam, that's good. It already look good already, huh? Yeah. It doesn't look like bacon. Hell yeah. Just put it in a jar. There you go. Here's your manly stuff. Yeah, down is good. That is good. Yeah, really good.
I shocked a lot of people last year when I released a picture of Kara with this guy. But people didn't realize that's me. I just dressed up like a redneck. And my friend Matt made himself look nasty too, and we had a blast making this video.
He wants to go to dinner like this. Vegas. We ate the whole thing almost.
Yeah, we did.
That's good.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stop?
Of course, no redneck is complete without a ridiculously huge, oversized pickup truck to show how manly he is.
What made America great is pickup trucks and pig fat, right? Yeah. What America needs more of is real men driving pickup trucks. Pickup trucks is what makes America great, right? Yeah.
So I created one in the computer and added it to the shot. All the backgrounds were computer generated, and I also created a logo for the imaginary show these guys have called Pickup Trucks and Pig Fat. And people actually thought it was a real show. Hilarious.
I don't want to get no heart attack because then I won't be able to drive my pickup truck. I just put all our life savings into this lift kit and the big tires.
And the wood on the table these guys work on is just cardboard I painted to look like wood. And of course the tattoos and the beard are fake. It's weird, I look at this guy and I don't even recognize myself. But you can't make a fake bacon video without a character like this.
Now this brown stuff on the back, you want that. That's good, that's manly.
The lengths I go to inspire people to a healthier lifestyle.
Man, this is better. This is better than pig.
It is better.
God damn, this is good. Hot.
Most people are meat eaters and they look for things that look and taste like what they're used to when trying to transition to a healthier plant-based diet. So we try to help with that transition with our recipes and videos. We have all kinds of healthy meat substitutes in our plant-based cookbook. It's downright scary how much some of it looks like real meat. We even show how to make plant-based versions of deli meat. The bacon recipe and video is at
veganbacon.com. That's veganbacon.com. There's that word again. Weird word.
The vegan deli meat is, of course, at vegandelimeat.com, and the cookbook with everything in it is at healthycookbook.com.
That's damn good. Damn good. Damn good. Yeah, here, have yourself another one. Yeah. We just stay in the garage all day now.
All right, work all day, work all night.
Hot damn.